Hello from Crowd Supply headquarters in beautiful Portland, Oregon. It's a beautiful sunny day. And today we have a box and we're going to unbox it. It hasn't been opened yet. This is from MNT, from Lucas and crew in Germany. It is a Reform laptop. So this is a DIY laptop. And if you've been following Crowd Supply for a while, you know that we really like open source laptops. There's the Novena laptops, the Librem 13, Librem 15, etc. And this is this has is a very promising continuation of that trend. So, for no further ado, I'm going to take off the sticker. First of all, customized stickers and box. That's a good sign. Take that off. Stick it right there. And you'll see it before I do. Okay, so we have a manual, a very nicely formatted manual. This is the operator handbook for the Reform. Let's just flip through a couple of pages. So, it's protected as a table of contents with such things as the case, the motherboard, the battery / lid controller, the keyboard, the trackball. So those are the main sections. And there's a bunch of subpoints there. And then there's thermal, system boot details, and debugging. Because every laptop should come with a debugging section. And of course a quick start right at the beginning. So this is very promising. It's a nice, meaty, well-bound handbook. Some stickers to affix to your favorite laptop, which will soon be this one. A really nice mesh protective case that's nicely branded as well. We'll get to that in a second. Some foam in case you need it. A power plug, and I'm guessing a power brick. Yes. So here we go. Yes, they were nice enough to send US adapter. This is a EU adapter, so we'll get this charged and probably show you another video soon as it's charged. Okay, so foam and box and handbook and all that aside, here is the unzipping of the mesh case. Let's open it up. We see similar branding there. And you can kind of see it's pretty good size, but actually not very heavy at all. And it has a really nice port farm here. So the port farm has, looks like 2 USB, HDMI, audio jack, Ethernet, and power. On the underside, you get the full view. Fan Heatsink. This looks like the motherboard. Interesting, they did something, looks like there's a LED array, or some sort of array there. I'm not sure what that is exactly. Diodes, it looks like, so maybe that's for the keyboard. Although that's 3D printed, the case. Oh, no, that's PCB in the back there. Yeah, let's open it up. So there's this tab here. I'm not sure what that... I'm just going to pull it. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is a little notch piece of elastic that you can put over that nice hex screw. There's that, and then it looks like this is probably power, I'm guessing. I really like the feel of that switch. So it opens up. Wow. Very cool. Got a trackball, of all things. A real trackball, not one of those capacitive touch thingies. Nice, solid clicking. These look like custom 3D printed keycaps, maybe? I can't tell. They're nice. This is a 3D printed enclosure, or a lot of it is, and it's completely replaceable. So if parts of it break, you can go fabricate your own part, or you can modify this one. You can swap out all the different parts. Look at this. There's no camera or microphone or anything like that, so you won't need your tape. That's by design. It's meant to be a privacy-preserving laptop. Inside, there's a ARM Cortex A9 quad-core 1.2 gigahertz processor with, I think, 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM and MPCIe, mSATA, and of course there's Ethernet on here. What's this? This is the LifePo battery. So the battery is safe and will actually last quite a long time. If you've learned anything, if you need to learn about LifePo batteries, go check out the Life Powered Pi project page that has tons of information about LifePo. Super interesting battery technology that's just kind of coming around. Glad to see it's in here. This has some a grid for heat dissipation, the fan, of course, and you can see the 32 gigabyte micro SD card there. Super interesting. So I can't wait to try this out. You know, we'll charge it up and then post another video for you with actual usage. But one last detail. This feels like a metal case. This part is metal. At least it feels like it's metal. This is 3D printed. This is metal. So the black anodized pieces are metal. This black is 3D printed. This looks like acrylic. It has rubber feet on the bottom. Really nice design. I mean, the hinges are also really nice. That's kind of one of the harder parts of a laptop, it seems. But these seem like really solid hinges. So great build, really nice design. Can't wait to turn it on. Talk to you then.